In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record on TradingView. This is perfect if you want to capture a clean walkthrough of your charts, share a trade idea, or create a quick tutorial. I'll show you exactly what to do on both Windows and Mac, with simple steps you can follow right away. Start by opening TradingView and navigating to the chart you want to record. Take a moment to set up your layout the way you want it to appear in the video. Select the time frame, apply your indicators, arrange your panels, and zoom to the ideal view. Whatever is on your screen is what the recording will capture, so it's worth getting that just right before you begin. If you're on Windows, press the Windows key and G together to open the Xbox game bar. This brings up the capture controls on top of your chart. To begin, click the Record button, or use the shortcut Windows, Alt, and R. You'll see a small timer indicating that recording has started. Now go back to TradingView and perform your actions. Pan the chart, draw tools, switch symbols, or play a bar replay. Smooth, deliberate movements look best on video. When you're done, stop the recording using the on-screen controls or the same shortcut. Your clip will be saved automatically, typically to your Videos folder in Captures, and you can move or rename it to keep things organized. If you're on a Mac, press Shift, Command, and 5 to open the screen recording toolbar. Choose Record Entire Screen if you want to capture everything, or Record Selected Portion to draw a frame around just the chart area for a tighter, more polished look. Click Record to start. Then perform your actions in TradingView, keeping your cursor movement steady and intentional. When you're ready to finish, stop the recording using the Stop button in the menu bar or the on-screen toolbar. You'll be able to save the file to your preferred location, and it's a good idea to give it a clear name so you can find it later. As you record, remember that clarity is key. Avoid rapid switching, pause briefly before major clicks, and give your chart a moment to update so everything is readable in the final video. If you plan to narrate while you work, speak evenly and keep background noise to a minimum for a clean result. And that's how to screen record on TradingView. Subscribe for more tutorials.